What we've got here, this is my Peterbilt 388. The entire radiator upper tank is plastic, and then molded onto it is a plastic nipple. There's no way to screw a new one in. Anyway, it cracked and started puking fluid. So what I did was the block that was behind it was still intact. So I took a hacksaw blade and I cut the remainder of the nipple off smooth, and then I drilled it out enough. This is a double-sided barbed fitting, and I drilled it out enough just where that went in snug into that block, and I epoxied it in, pushed it in, and then molded some JB stick around the outside on top of that epoxy just to kind of hold it. But there's no wiggle to it. I think it's going to work. I ordered a new radiator, but I have no idea with shipping these days how long it's going to take to get here. So I wanted to try to run next week, and I think that's going to work.